Hello everybody. Well, another piece of predator protection here, and I'm about to open it. It's open. Haha. Predator protection. Predator Guard scare tape. Now it's not daytime right now, but I will set it up. And of course it says on the back here, Predator Guard scare tape repels daytime predators from your gardens and property. The dramatic flash of light and loud crackle noise created by this tape keeps birds and wild animals away. For night predators, use Predator Guard deterrent lights, which by the way are set up. Instructions. Cut tape into 2 foot lengths. Tie 6 to 8 inches of string to the tape and attach to fences, posts, masts, or trees. This ensures tape spins and flashes in the breeze. For high wind areas, use 12 inches lengths of tapes. To repel birds, mount the tape above the area you're trying to protect. For ground predators, mount at eye level. For gardens and enclosures, surround the tape with at minimum of 5 feet to maximum of 5 feet intervals. Repels daytime predators. Deer, coyote, hawks, gulls, geese, woodpeckers, and more. Protects homes, gardens, orchards, farms, docks, boats, and more. Yes, right here. Doesn't really interest you much, does it? This tape here? Well, my light deterrents are set up right now. And as you may have heard in the first video that, yes, I had some chickens for a while that were given to me as my 23rd birthday present. But they all fell to prey around the Halloween time frame of 2017. Therefore not resulting in a very good spooktacular Halloween. And I'm like, way to kick off Halloween at that time. Now hopefully I could get more chickens, especially because I have this. They were hard to catch anyway, so. And as some of you know, in some of my airsoft videos, I did have chickens. As you might have seen. Where to find them? Look under the series where I was shooting the UK Arms CM22. They're equivalent to the Kalashnikov AK-47. I was showing you the pile where I kept my targets, is why I mentioned this. And of course the chickens were briefly seen. Well, that's all I have for now. See you around.